Hey YouTube, this is Michael with Zone Robotics, and this will be the bi-weekly update number 4. Before we were working on this model a little bit, trying to get a motor and whatnot connected to it. I eventually did connect a TA729 motor driver, which is what we normally use, and I just wanted to kind of get one-way, just forward-only movement on these motors, but it turns out that these motor drivers don't work that way. If you hook either side of the motor driver up to one motor, it will never allow both motors to be on at the same time. This is because if it was just hooked to one motor, you would only want one motor to be going, or one side of that motor to be on at any one time. So it makes sense. But at some point, the communications module stopped working in this, so I think I'm just going to go ahead and let this sit on the side for a while until the new boards show up. I don't want to waste any more time on these older boards that have flaws. I'll just wait till the new boards show up and then build a complete new model out of that. We did, however, figure out with these CR18650 batteries, these are like the same batteries that you use in your laptops and stuff. If we have one of those, we can run this thing for 4 hours. So we plan on actually having 2 of those in the end model. So that should give you somewhere around, from 4 to 8 hours of runtime on your module. The other big thing we worked on was, if you guys remember, there was these little kind of blinky lights that blink all around while the thing's running, and it turns out that that was causing a lot of interference in the video feed. So the video feed is now much improved while it's running. I just made it so that the lights, instead of blinking each time a picture was sent, received, or buffered, I just made it just turn on the blue light and just stay on, which makes a lot more sense. We're also moving forward with the Android development. I've got some pictures of that. I'll try and steady my hand. And that's the screen you'll see on startup, and then if you're going to add a new bot while you're connecting, and then for controlling and whatnot, to control your servos, and then to control your GPIO. And I also added the some better command line parsing with the PC example. So this way, when you type in -H, it will give you all of the options. You can put them in different orders and stuff. Before, I was using my own kind of command line parser, which wasn't very good. So I switched to the Apache CLI parser, which is, of course, much better. Apart from that, we created a Python library that allows you to forward the stream from the robot, basically from anywhere to anywhere. So as long as you've got it through a TCP stream, you can forward it from one location to another. That'll be really good if you're working on the cloud, or you just simply want to forward your stream from one location to a different location. But pretty much we're still just waiting on the printed circuit boards to show up so we can put them together and make some new prototypes and drive those around. And that's all for this week. If you guys have any comments or anything, feel free to add it on the video, or go to zonerobotics.com and post on this article. Thank you. Bye.